Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. Just a follow-up video to the mythical swivel bolt video. One of the problems I stated was that this special bolt, i.e. this fitted bolt that has the shoulder to locate, or rather to set the caster angle correctly. One of the problems was you could only buy it in packs of 10. Well, I've found it available from Land Rover in a single pack. That's great. That means that you can buy this and you know if it's exactly the bolt it should be because it's in a sealed pack. So you are able to get these. So I recommend that you inquire with your retailers before you purchase this as to whether you'd be getting one of these or whether you'd be getting one of their bolts taken out of a 10 pack off the shelf. Anyway, I don't know what date this is. It doesn't have a date on here. But I'm going to open it up, measure it, and just check that everything's in order. Well, it looks pretty standard. Atlas, 12.9 rated. This is the superseded part, whereas the one that came off my 2003 Defender was the one before this, the TYG part number. Right, so let's measure. The other one I'd measured was 10.5. 10.54, so right at the top there. Get it square, 10.56. Rotate a bit. 10.56. Yeah, it's about in that kind of 10.5 to 10.6 range. So I don't think there's any change. Don't think there's any change in the part number. Anyway, nothing to report there really, other than the fact that you can get it in a single pack. There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.